Once you're logged in, you land on the curriculum page. This section is accessible only to HODs and principals. At the top, you'll find 3 filters to select the regulation, your department, and the batch. Once you have selected all the filters, you'll be able to view all the curriculum courses for that batch. Click on any course to view or input the syllabus. If the syllabus hasn't been added yet, enter it first. Once the syllabus is saved, move to the next tab, which is the Outcomes tab, where you will see this button, Generate Using Syllabus. Click on it. Rubrics will generate the course outcomes. Here are the COs. You can review, edit, and refine them if required with this option of Edit COs. Once you are satisfied, click Submit and save the COs. The COs are saved successfully. Next is Articulation Matrix. Once the COs are generated and saved, you will be able to see the articulation matrix. Here is the articulation matrix. Click on Generate/View Justification option. It takes a few minutes to generate the justification. Here is the Statement 1. This is the course outcome. You can see all the course outcomes over here. And these are the POs, which are the program outcomes. So, you will see each program outcome's performance indicator is mapped with every course outcome. This is the justification. You can update the mapping. You can select or deselect based on the faculty's interest. And you can submit updates. So the updates have been saved now. Now you can just click on Close to see the full articulation matrix that is auto-generated. You can edit this matrix as well. For example, if you think it should be 2, you can just press Enter. And you can click on Save Articulation Matrix. Now this new articulation matrix have been saved. Next is Faculty Mapping section. Here, you can map the respective faculty to a course by clicking on Choose Faculty. Select the required faculty member and click on Map. And the faculty will be successfully mapped to the course. Thank you.